Hey, I wanted to draw the picture here for 21 part C and kind of give you a little bit better idea what's going on. So if f is 1 to 1, what we want to show is that means that f of a minus c is a subset of f of a minus f of c. The other direction you should have proved earlier. So here's the picture. Here's our set A, and then here's the set C is a subset of A, so everything outside of C is a minus c. Now we can take the image of the set C in B, which we'll just assume that B is f of A. So this whole thing is f of A. Here's the image of the set C, that's f of C. So all of this stuff gets mapped into here. And maybe something more, maybe some stuff from out here. And then everything that's outside of f of C is in f of A, but not in f of C. So what we want to do is pick a general element here and show it's over here. So let's pick a y that's an element of f of a minus c. Then that means that y is f of something in this set. So this is f of x, where x is in a minus c. So x is in A, it's not in C. So well, we know right off then that f of x, since x is in A, that implies then that f of x is in f of A. What we need to finish things up is that f of x is not in f of c, because then it'll be in f of A, not in f of c, and that'll put it out here. So let's assume that this y here that's in f of a minus c, that is in f of c. So suppose it's here. Okay, so there's our y. Well, since y is in f of a minus c, we know that there's some x in A, so that y is f of x is an element of f of A. So we know that there's some x, let's see, it's in A and not in C. Okay, so we know there's some x out here that the function sends to that y. And what we want to argue is that that's the only one. So, well, let's assume that f of x is also an element of f of c. So let's assume that y is down here in f of c like I've drawn it. Well, what does it mean to be in f of c? Well, it means that there's something in c that gets sent to that value. Okay, so then there's some value here, let's call it x2, and that gets sent to y. Okay, well now you've got two different x values going to the same y value. That's not 1 to 1. Okay, so you want to add the details to that and make it a little bit more precise, a little more precise argument, and argue that that does not satisfy f is 1 to 1.